Once you've completed the prerequisites, you're ready to configure your settings and explore the procurement tabs. By laying the foundation for a streamlined purchasing process, you'll gain greater visibility into company spend, strengthen financial controls, reduce manual work, and equip your team with a scalable process that can grow alongside your business. Let's begin by configuring your settings in the Purchase Orders tab under the Manage Spend tab located on the left-hand navigation bar. Click on the settings on the top right. Under the General tab here, you can toggle this on to allow a request coordinator, who is someone that manages the purchasing process for an organization. You can also track and manage savings on requests by enabling, editing, or adding savings categories, helping you better measure procurement's impact on the business. Let's go to the next tab. The Default PO Fields tab allows you to apply a prefix to purchase order numbers going forward, add versioning to purchase orders with change orders, reserve purchase order numbers and ranges as sample number purchase orders sequentially, apply default fields to purchase orders such as CCing PO owners, uploading your company logo here, which will show at the top of your purchase orders, set up a bill to address, bill to contact, ship to address, and ship to contact for each of your purchase orders. Add default footer text to each of your purchase orders. Upload any documents that will appear at the end of each purchase order PDF. And lastly, hide line item amounts by toggling this on here. Once you've made your changes, you could go ahead and click Save here. The Custom Fields tab allows you to capture additional information specific to your business. Add custom fields to purchase orders such as project or cost center codes, and then to line items here such as product codes. Fields can be configured in multiple formats including text, Boolean, date, and drop-down selections. Now let's explore the Automation tab. Under the Automation tab, you can automatically close purchase orders a set number of days after each purchase order's end date by toggling it on here. You can also configure overbilling protection, which helps prevent invoice discrepancies by alerting users or blocking payments when invoice amounts don't match approval purchase orders. In addition, you can also automate accounting workflows by applying accounting rules that automatically code purchase orders, reducing manual effort and improving consistency. Once you've completed this tab, you could go ahead and click Save here on the bottom right. Now that we've configured the settings, let's explore the Purchase Orders tab. Click here to the left to exit this view. Now in this tab, you'll be able to view all approved and pending purchase orders. Under the Approved tab here, you'll immediately see key information such as the PO status and the owner. Clicking on the three dots here to the right provides access to quick actions. Selecting a purchase order will open a detailed view where you can review additional information, edit the PO through the options on the top right, request changes on the bottom right here, upload the invoice here under documentation if you haven't already, and see the activity here to the right. Next, click back to purchase orders on the top left and click on the pending tab. In this tab, you'll find purchase orders that are still awaiting review. The three dots here to the right provides options to download or archive a purchase order. Archiving removes the purchase orders from active views while preserving it for reporting and audit purposes. Opening a pending PO provides additional details and allows authorized users to override, reject, or pause approvals through the three-dot menu here on the bottom right. On the right-hand side here, you can see any documentation uploaded in association with this purchase order, and then the activity that'll show any updates or changes made. Under the Activity tab, you can see a complete history of approvals, comments, and updates, giving stakeholders the visibility they need to understand decisions, answer questions quickly, and maintain a clear audit trail. With these settings in place, your organization gains a procurement process that is consistent, auditable, and easy to operate day to day, so approvers always have the context they need, finance maintains tighter control over spend, and purchasing can move forward without unnecessary delays or confusion, even as volume and complexity increases.